These 7 AI tools feel like superpowers, and most people have never heard of them. Each one does in seconds what used to take hours. Stay until number 1. This is Lumen AI. ChatGPT, the AI assistant that can write, explain, plan, and brainstorm anything in seconds. From emails to essays to code, just ask, and it delivers. If you use one AI tool, start here. Otter AI. It joins your meetings and calls, transcribes every word, and hands you clean notes and a summary automatically. Never scramble to take notes again. Napkin AI. Paste in your text, and it instantly turns your ideas into clear diagrams, flowcharts, and visuals. Perfect for presentations, posts, and explaining anything. Canva Magic Studio. Describe what you want, and its AI designs posts, logos, and videos for you in seconds. It even removes backgrounds and writes your copy. Design skills optional. Leonardo AI. A free, professional image generator for stunning art, characters, and product shots. Creators and game designers swear by it, and the free plan is generous. Krea. Watch AI art appear in real time as you type or sketch. Change a word, and the image updates instantly. It feels like magic, and it is addictive. And number 1, HeyGen. Type a script, pick an AI avatar, and it creates a video of a realistic person speaking your words, in any language. Make talking videos without ever turning on a camera. Those were 7 AI tools you'll wish you knew sooner. Which one are you trying first? Comment below, and subscribe to Lumen AI for the newest tools every week. See you in the next one.